Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about some untold story of TRX. So, in the bustling cyber realm of 2017, aimed the chaos of cryptomania, a digital seeds was shown TRX, the token of the Tron blockchain. At first, it was dismissed by many, seen as yet another player in the ocean of altcoin, just another flash in the pan. But beneath the surface, something deeper stripped. The untold origin. The creator Justin Sun was not just chasing riches. He had a vision to decentralize the web itself, inspired by the fall of Napster. The censorship battles of the early 2000s and the rise of walled gardens like YouTube and Facebook. Justin wanted Tron to be a digital nation where creators ruled and content followed freely without middlemen. But like any pioneer, TRX early days were stormy. Skeptics mocked it. Opposition flew plagiarism hype were, yet the coin endured, while others like BitConnect collapsed. TRX survived every winter. It was the cockroach of crypto, stubborn, underestimated, and impossible to kill. What many don't know is that Tron quietly became one of the most used blockchain in the world. While big names chase headlines, TRX powered millions of transactions daily, from DeFi to gaming, from NFTs to stablecoins like USDT. Tron become the invisible engine of Web3. It never begged for attention. It earned its place in the background like a silent architect of the new internet. Behind the scene, Tron made bold moves. It acquired BitTorrent, the godfather of decentralized data. That was more than a PR stunt. It was a puzzle piece. BitTorrent had the distribution, Tron had the settlement layer. Slowly, a new ecosystem took shape. Tron was a decentralized Netflix meets Steam meets PayPal built for the future. The turning point 2025 and beyond as the global economy strained under centralized control and inflation. The world began to seek alternatives. In the twist of irony, TRX, once called a joke, became a favorite for cross-border payments, especially in emerging markets. With near zero fees and high throughput, it turned into a lifeline for unbanked communities. Regulators could not ignore it anymore, but Tron had matured. It embraced transparency, launched compliance layers, and played the long game. Now, in 2025, whispers are growing louder. Is TRX the new Ethereum for the people? The future of TRX coin. Here, what lies ahead for TRX? 1. Mass adoption through utility. Tron, low fees, and fast transaction make it deal for micropayments, remittance, and daily crypto use. While growing adoption in Latin America, Southeast Asia, and Africa, TRX could become a transactional backbone for millions. 2. USDT dominance. A large portion of Tether USDT transaction now happens on Tron. If this trend continues, TRX relevance in the stablecoin economy will grow. indirectly boosting demands for TRX to pay fees. Integration of AI plus Web3. Rumors suggest Tron is exploring AI integration and predictive smart contracts. This could open door for decentralized autonomous service. Imagine AI agents that pay in TRX to use decentralized bandwidth or storage. 4. Regulatory clarity. Tron has faced stability, but it also shown resilience if it can negative global regulations smartly. It could emerge as a legal, secure hub for digital commerce, TRX, burn mechanism, and scarcity. As network usage grows, more TRX get burned, reducing supply. This deflationary model could support long-term price appreciation. Final thought: TRX is not just a coin, it's a survivor, a builder, a digital phoenix that refuses to die. And now it's flying towards a future that few saw coming. So here's the some facts about TRX. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and like. Press the bell icon to continue and take my videos to the top notch of your home tab. Thank you and stay blessed.